Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, everybody. Most welcome in this English class. Children, today we have to learn about voice, their kinds, as well as about their concerned conversion. You all are ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Then come to the point. Voice, it is the definition of voice. It is related to the verb in a sentence. It tells us whether the subject is in action actively or passively. This is definition of voice. Active voice, it is used when the subject performs an action. As for example, the boy throws the ball. Second example, I write a letter. Here, the subject, the boy is a doer, and in this sentence, I is a doer. In case of passive voice, we see here the object becomes the subject of the action. As for example, the ball is thrown by the boy. That means the here object acts like a subject. In second example, we see a letter is written by me. In this case, the object of first sentence becomes subject in passive form. That means a letter is written by me is in passive form. So these are two kinds of voice, namely active voice and passive voice. In active voice, subject is a doer, and in passive voice, object acts like a subject. Then we will come to know how to change sentences of present tense in passive voice form. First, we consider about simple indefinite tense or simple present tense in active voice, that is, he makes tea. This sentence is in simple present tense, and when we change it in passive form, it becomes tea is made by him. What happens? This changing is as per this very given structure. That is, object has been changed into subject. Object is changed into subject. Thereafter, as per requirement, we use either is or am or are. Then plus third form of verb, and additionally we use by plus subject is changed into object. This is the structure for changing simple present tense into passive voice. In this way, you can change given sentences of present indefinite tense or simple present tense into passive voice form. As for example, there is another example, C60. Here you can change T is shipped by her. In case of present continuous tense, we use different sort of structures. As for example, he is making tea. Its passive form will be tea is being made by him. How did it happen? You watch with the help of this given structure. Object is changed into subject. There are plus is being or am being or are being. That means you can use either of these verb form as per requirement. Plus third form of verb plus by plus subject change as an object. So homework will be C sips tea. In second sentence, you are reading a book, and third one, they were watering the plants. These are examples for you all. As this is sufficient for today. In next class, we will learn more about other kinds of things. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.